Corn milk with pandan leaf jelly. Hello dear friends. Today, I will introduce to you a drink that is not only delicious but also extremely adorable. Corn milk with pandan leaf jelly. If you are looking for a drink that not only helps cool you down but also brings a romantic feeling like you are lost in a fairy tale, then this is the perfect choice. Imagine, when you take a sip of corn milk, you are enjoying the sweet taste of beautiful summer days. And the green, soft and smooth pieces of pandan leaf jelly are like little stars sparkling in the night sky. Join us to discover how to make this magical drink.
Prepare ingredients: 100 grams of sugar, 10 grams of agar powder, jelly, 1 box of 180 milliliters fresh milk, 2 American corn, washed and stripped of skin and beard. Use a knife to peel the corn kernels from the cob. Boil 2 corn cobs in 500 milliliters of boiling water and let cool. Put corn kernels in a blender, add corn broth and puree. Wash 12 pandan leaves, partially cook with corn milk until fragrant, partially cut into pieces and puree with 150 milliliters of water. Filter the pandan leaf juice through a sieve.
Cooking corn milk. Filter the ground corn mixture through a sieve. Pour the corn water into the pot and boil. When the corn water boils, reduce the heat to low and add fresh milk and 50 grams of sugar to the pot. Stir well. Continue to boil for about 5 minutes, then turn off the stove. Make pandan jelly. Put agar powder, 50 grams of sugar in a pot and 200 milliliters of water. Bring to a boil and stir well. Continue to add pandan leaf water. Stir well and boil for about 5 minutes until the agar powder dissolves completely. Let it cool and pour the pandan jelly into the bottle. When the jelly is stable, we continue to add corn milk into the bottle.
So we have finished the corn milk with pandan leaf jelly. This dish is best served when taken out of the refrigerator. Invite your lover, friends or family to enjoy and see who will be addicted to this drink first. Surely they will be surprised and delighted with this wonderful flavor. This drink is not only delicious but also very nutritious, suitable for entertaining friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts and look forward to the next delicious dishes and drinks from me.